Have you ever created something amazing only to find yourself stuck trying to move it to another computer? It can be a real headache, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to show you how to transfer your Docker image to another computer seamlessly. I totally get it. You've put in all that hard work creating your online shop website in a Docker container, and now you want to share it or move it to a different machine. It's frustrating when you don't know how to do that, but you're not alone. Many people face this challenge. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, "How can I transfer my Docker image to another computer?" They want to ensure that all their work is included in the transfer. Sound familiar? If so, let's dive into this together and find a solution. So, what do you need to know about transferring Docker images? Docker images are essentially snapshots of your application, and transferring them can be done in a few straightforward steps. We'll break it down so you can easily follow along. And stick around. I've got a bonus tip at the end that will make transferring Docker images even easier in the future. To transfer the Docker image, the user should first save the image to a file. This can be done using the Docker save command, which allows the user to export the image. Next, the user needs to transfer the saved file to the other computer. This can be done using a USB drive, cloud storage, or any file transfer method the user prefers. Once the file is on the other computer, the user should load the Docker image from the file. This is done using the Docker load command. Finally, the user can verify that the image has been successfully loaded by listing all Docker images. This can be done with the Docker images command. Fun fact, Docker was originally developed to help developers manage their applications in a more efficient way. Now it's a game changer for deploying software anywhere. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach to transferring your Docker image involves checking if your data is stored in the image or in volumes. If you're using volumes, refer to the Docker documentation on volumes for guidance. You can save your image using the command docker save, which creates a tar archive. Then, transfer this archive to the other computer and use Docker load to import the image. Finally, remember to manage any data stored in volumes separately. Here's that bonus tip I promised. Consider using Docker Hub for future projects. It allows you to easily push and pull images from the cloud, making transfers a breeze. And there you have it. You should now be able to transfer your Docker image to another computer without any hassle. Remember, using Docker Hub can simplify this process even more in the future. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video on optimizing your Docker workflow.